everyone. As we have done in my last lecture that what is parts of speech. So in that lecture we already known about there are 8 or 9 parts of speech in which we have understand that these part of speech belong to a certain class or a group. Now in today's lecture we are going to understand verbs. So all of us we have idea about verb. Most of the student always connect verb with action, but it is a state of a subject also. So what is the definition of verb? Let us understand it. A verb is a word that tells us what subject does and is. Is means state. Similarly, one more definition that most of us have in mind, verb show us action as well as state. So verbs are the word. There are innumerable verbs in English. So most of the time we always used number of verbs. So what verbs are basically? Verbs are the word that shows action as well as state of a subject. So we divide verbs in two main parts. That is not types, but there are two main types of words in verbs. That is action words and other is state words. Likewise, the name of the action words is also called dynamic words and name of the state words is also called static words. You might be confused sometime. कई बार हमारे सामने ऐसे वर्ड्स आते हैं जिसमें हम स्टेटिव वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं या कई बार हमारे इनको डायनामिक वर्ड्स के होते हैं तो दे आर नॉट डिफरेंट. It is a name of the same word. That is action word and state words. These are stative verbs and these are action words, right? So what we did in action words, in action words we show some activity, we show some action, like I am going to school, I eat an apple, I have done my work. These are the words that show some action and these actions come under the verbs that are called action words. Is it clear? Now in my second part, let us discuss something about, like most of the time in our day-to-day conversation, we can use I like chocolates, I like chocolates, I have 3 pens. So in this word there is no action has been discussed, but there is choice of us that we are discussing. So these are not action words, these are basically state words. We can say these words, what is the main difference in that? The action words only can be used in making ing form. What is ing form? Like if I am saying I am going to school, so the action words can only make ing form, but state words we can't use ing form with state words. Like I am liking chocolate, that is not a correct sentence. Why? Because like is my condition, that is not my action. That is why we can't use state in this. Similarly, I have 3 pens, that is my possession. If I am saying I am having a pen, that is a wrong English. So we must use it in a very proper manner and understand it, what action verbs are and what state verbs are. One more thing that we have to discuss in this topic here today, that verbs are the only part of speech in English that make some different forms. Like we have 6 forms of verbs that only can make in verbs. But if I am discussing about noun, there is a singular and plural form, but no other part of speech has their different forms. Only verbs are the words that we have to discuss in different forms. Similarly, we have different types of verbs and then we can differentiate helping verbs and main verbs. But in today's topic, we must understand, that is the basic learning of verbs, because we must understand verbs are the 2 main types of verbs. One is action verbs and words and the other is state words. Let us revise today's topic or recapitulate today's topic, that what is a verb? Verbs are a word that shows action as well as state. There are 2 types of verb. There are 2 kinds of words in it. One are the words that show action and other show state. In action word we do some action and activity, and state word show some situation. So if you like this topic, you must like, share and subscribe. Thank you.